Right. Right, let's hope there should be a train soon. And I've just spoke, wow. Let's, right. So, train's going.
What's up your trains? Push over with that.
Let's go. Let's see. Just. Right. So, be ready for the flight. Once the train will actually set that off. Just almost around blue hoodie. And it is not 3:26. I'm filming this. Yeah, it's there's it. Do pause if you do need to, and let's wait for more either train using them or diesel. 9. Got no information. All relying on so far is I'll just have a go tracks. I don't think there's a station here, which is why Newcastle is so congested. Let's go. Right. Any information?
What?
Any information?
Give us a second, Jacob.
Okay.
I won't be.
Right. Right. I'd like to see. No, do like and subscribe. Oh. So now, please. So yeah, I do all see stuff filmed on my phone, which is what I'm using as of now, or my camera, which is I use to film the trains at running video, which is not actually too. Its quality's meh. It's meh. So yeah, right, let's go. With wind shot. Da, 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 da. Yeah. I don't know if that's a Voyager or an F-9. I've travelled on the Voyagers. Better than the Azumas, if you've been on Azumas. You'll probably agree. If you've been on Voyagers to Azumas. I've been on both Voyagers and Azumas, and I find the Voyagers a lot more better and green, and yeah. So let's wait for train to. Oh, nothing there. No, right there. So what's staying a reasonable way away, distance away, because so this now is on the East Coast Main Line, north of Newcastle. I'm around a couple of minutes away. Yeah. So as soon as you go around the bend, not sure which bend, but that's Killingworth. Yeah, just see. You only see for like what, 2 seconds? Well, just Killingworth. which I'm hoping we'll get 91 in. Because so far we've had a Zima, 156, and a Zima. So 2 Zimas, 1 Sprinter. It's always when you're filming, the crossing doesn't want to set off. Whereas when you're filming, not filming, it doesn't, or whatever. So that's 7 minutes in. And I've just got a fight. So honestly, Norman trains is the also, if you would like to see more of Killingworth, which here to track and yeah. So you join my Discord. Yeah. So, yeah. Yeah.
Apparently there's a northern train coming down, but it's not really updating that quickly. It said that there's a northern train on its way down.
Alright.
Almost to Newcastle, but I know why it's not updating because it's not due yet. Doesn't seem like there's a lot going on at the minute.
Yeah.
So I don't know if you want to sit down.
I'll just do a little showcase of the crossing. Or how long it takes, really. Right, so this is what you see. Side off. So Simon. One right now. Drain. Another drain. That's 20. A tent. Phone box. Right. So after that. Right. That's 5 years. And 20. And then these your crossing barriers. And actually, looking. See over there, another crossing like. So here we are. And recipe. So we've been also on. What's right? So this is how the eye going to be on 158 and 156. On Navy, if you're lucky, 155, which has window in the front. For some reason my Homey 156 has a window in the front, which is not a 155. The wheels built by Elena, and basically what company's done, just any motor in and give it a first bit of paint. So Navy, if yeah. Also, you know what? That's how I used to say truck trains. It says Veilder and Veil time trains. If you do have any suggestions, do please let me know. Android, Samsung's S20 for some reason. So yeah, please do let me know in the comments down below. And that's why for either a freight train or passenger. First is DV Shankar. So let's find out. Yeah. That's right. Oh. I'm sorry. No. That's right. I've got round a couple of people with. Yeah. No. And yeah. So after this, I'll be using real supervisors now. Using real-time trains. I mean real. So if you do have any suggestions for Android, Samsung, and at Sony, let me know. And we're now waiting for hissing noise of a train. Got to show. Let's actually do like that shot. Compare find the shot. Do lines. I do some stuff. Also, thank you for 100 subscribers as of now. If you, yeah, like that's right. Well, a diesel. Yeah, it's yeah, probably around 150 subscribers. I'll try get out steam engine, steam locomotive. Yeah, please do help me get to 150. And here it is. That was a light engine move. That was a light engine. Right, I'll put that in the title. That was epic. I actually was right. That was a light engine class 70. I'll be going to take up a field train, Azuma 191. And 5 years staying down, so that was actually quite a good shot of that light engine diesel. Your office, you can. That was actually a pretty good shot. And was it? I wonder what. Yeah. So that was actually light engine class 70 diesel, operated by Coolus. We operate, and as of now we've got as. No, that I don't think that was displayed on the app. No, using to track the trains. That was actually quite. So that's going to come from this direction. So do you wanna? I think that'll be a good shot. I just come past. So yeah. This is as of now Killingworth. It's not trust. So as it's our cousin, they're just chilling in the barrier, waiting for the 9 train, which is supposedly due. As soon as I hear it hitting, it was on that view. Although now there's nothing really to get. Right. Oh. Maybe I should have took a photo of that 70 if I knew it was coming. That's the train I've never seen, and that's the thing you might not have known. I've also never seen a steamboat out on the move, if you know. That was some easy days. So that is, I didn't get certainly. Oh yeah, no. going pretty big. Looks like any trains. Right, so here it is. Cross country Voyager and a late gust of wind. And thanks for watching and see you soon.